Be still for a moment. Because this message reaches places you stopped talking about. God says, I'm about to restore what you thought was lost forever. There are things you buried quietly, dreams you stopped mentioning, prayers you no longer asked because the pain of disappointment was too heavy. You told yourself, it's too late now. That season is over. I've missed my chance. But God says, I am not limited by time. What you thought ended was only hidden. What you assumed was gone was being preserved. What you grieved was never destroyed. God says, I allowed the loss, not to punish you, but to protect the promise. Some things had to be removed from your hands, so they wouldn't be ruined by the wrong season. Some relationships had to end, so they could be restored the right way, or replaced with better. Some doors had to close, so you would stop settling. God says, I don't restore halfway. When I return something, I return it with wisdom. I return it with peace. I return it with strength you didn't have before. You won't get back the same version. You'll receive something deeper, purer, stronger. God says, your tears were not wasted. Every night you cried, every prayer you whispered, every moment you held on without understanding, I recorded it all. And now restoration is near. What you thought was impossible to recover is being rebuilt. What you believed could never return is being revived. What you accepted as permanent loss is about to surprise you. God says, watch me do what only I can do. I can restore joy. I can restore peace. I can restore purpose. I can restore what life tried to steal. So don't close your heart. Don't shut down your hope. Don't decide it's over. Because God says, I'm about to restore what you thought was lost forever. And when it returns, you'll know it came from me.